Ceir táimid rá.
Hello! Go hit for ghoul agus fáilte. Like our Patreon.
Oh my god, an official hello.
Yeah, because they're Patreon.
Hello, Chris. No, this is actually...
Officially hello.
Hello, Horja. Consultative.
Fáilte rugby ar
I was like making
Really shocked nula.
It's a closely knit place. We're all sitting on one couch.
Sorry.
Our bonus it's our bonus episode. Oh.
Where are they seeing this?
Right. Everybody ready? Yeah. Okay. Fáilte rugby cháirdigidí ar leathnach Patreon agur how to Gael lumsa Deardaoin.
Lumsa Louise.
Agus lumsa Shiva.
Gaels, it's Kajas like Congrach, isn't it? We're very close, very up close and personal.
Well, sure, horny and Patreon goes. On Patreon by Rock the Grave air extra content. We'll have bonus episodes. We're going to have Q&As, and we'll even add you to our close friends or Instagram.
That is a big one, but you're the people that we trust. You are our Gaels. You are part of our community. I can wait to show, and we're so delighted that you're here.
So Beaky and our down it's going to get saucy in here.
And even closer. Okay, that was weird.
Okay, cut the camera.